Agency ya Kenya National AIDS Control Council igorit kuliarero kyomerana amone council ne county ya Kisii abwase bachakirania omo Roberio Obene ase oko tanga noko Kenya okwambokera kwebinyinyi byenyamoro ime jinsi ya Kenya nigomerana basubati kurwachi county ya Kisii, Nyamira, Migori na Homa Bay. Musakito Brown Sagini no roboti rwa Sinchira engekerano.
Emambi ya lero ase umubagani o itiborisol altokotoka ase bunge ya Bonchari ni gabangina abasubati abanyaroka naboigo abarai ao bakoragwa n'umugavana bwe county ya Kisii Omusika James Ongwae muri kubutambe ase wizara y'obachenu umusubati Susan Mochache gati abanda bange nigo baikerana eligo segeta abasubati abo igoro yechenchera cyo gwetanga okwambokerwa kwebinyinyi byenyamore ogose HIV and AIDS.
We have those ladies that or men and women who are living with HIV. All these we work very, very closely to ensure that those who are sick are taken care of, and that's why I gave you the statistics, and they are all on antiretrovirals, which are provided. We thank the Ministry of Health, we thank UPS. Those are antiretrovirals, we don't have a problem when they are coming. We thank UNAC because we do not have a problem with that. So it has helped us actually as a county in terms of those who are sick to ensure that they are taken care of. In terms of those who are sick, the modalities that are in place are community-based, and that's why even the chairperson of Maendeleo ya Wanawake is here.
We have made significant progress, but it's still not enough. It is not enough for it to stop the infections that are going on, especially amongst our children, amongst our girls, and amongst the women. By the end of 2020, close to 900,000 women, of whom 95,000 are young girls and women aged 15 to 24 were living with HIV. More than 150 of these women living with HIV are from the counties of Migori, Homa Bay, Kisii, and Nyamira, which is represented here today. HIV today still remains a public health and a social issue that requires political solutions.
National AIDS Control Council Board wakoragwa n'umunyakero gubekyo Musubati Angeline Siparo niyo gyasokyana kubakwanira abasubati abo na kubaboli korengwa eligo kyani okwambokera kwebinyinyi ebyo.
Ministry of Health, Ministry of Education, all the ministries of Interior, everyone must come to the table. But within the counties, we partner specifically with the county government so that the people at the county are the ones that lead the effort, and we come into partner with providing the necessary statistics and data in order to be able to plan. But I want to honor Governor Ongwae because his government has given more than 50% of funding to the health program, which is important because health is the highest burden and a healthy nation is a productive nation. So thank you, Governor.
Tumesema ya kwamba lazima turudi mashinani and tuanze kuongea na wamama na wababa ndio hii janga la ukimwi liache kuendelea na sisi. Many countries across the world, wale wanasema ni developed countries, wameweza kuangamiza ukimwi kama janga la kuangaisha wananchi. Tunajua Kenya iko na uwezo, and we are calling the women today to stand up with us so that as we launch implementation plans. Tumesikia mama amesema tulisema vitu zetu na zimewekwa kwa document. Sio document peke yake. Ziweke kwa document pia zipewe pesa ndio tuweze kuendelea. Ama ni aje?
Aya nigo achireri tukeri mu magega y'abasubati gochengera lituko lyabo ensengima niga babwatani ko rwase county ya Homa Bay, Migori, Nyamira amo na Kisii baikerana ase omoyegoyo.
Tumekuja kuongelea ama kuchua tu ya maisha yetu kama wamama. Vile tutaweza kuzuia kupata HIV AIDS ama kucontrol kwa community, na wamama wenye mama wajawazito vile tutawazuia watoto wenye wako kwa tumbo wasipate HIV.
Sisi wamama tumekuja kulaunch kitu. Tusaidiane, tuambie wamama wenzetu tukirudi nyumbani. Kupimwa ikifika ya HIV ili tumalize kuanzia nyumbani. Tuanze na sisi wazazi. Ndio vijana wetu pia wafanye nini? Waendelee. Asante.
Retarian Brian Sagini Isena.
Mugavana we county ya Kisii Omosti James Elvis Umareba Ongwae amonomuriki obotambe we wizara yobochenu omosubati Susan Muchache igolit kolia rero bachakia bwikiranu muruberio bokubeta elio lilio tanga ebinyinyi bya COVID-19 ase county ya Kisii nigo county ya Kisii yabereye 15 narimo ase county chonsi miensi ya Kenya abanyorire eliogelio na gochakio muruberio yo boikerano wekera litkulia rero Kisii nigo yanyora chidos chiribu inye ne chimisano chechidos echo chogotanga aborero bwa COVID-19.
KTRH Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital ekiagera eliogo lilio kurwalia liokororana mundu tarwara ex-COVID tuanyolire chidos 4,500 iga Kisii County na intwe ne serikali itenene gotwanchirane tetwe chigavana ne serikali ene ng'abantu abatangani bakore gweliogo elio nambali bakolega sikinyagitali aiga Kisii County ombwata bakolega 2,720 doses ejibuna chire 4,500 na ubakora ayebuli tangani abakabere bakohebwa bane mbali bakora abasikali n'abantu kabireyo abagatatu mbali babwata amarwaire nali una diabetes, hypertension, cancer, TB, HIV, AIDS. Bono ikapuna tuwa ikirega watu 1,003 cases cy'abantu bali barwalira uburiro bwiga wa COVID-19. We'll work together to ensure moving forward abantu bayitunga ikorwara borayi uburwayi
uko atole vaccine yego se chanjo ase abantu bagokora ase nyakitali muna gabana abaresire lakini ambale bali batanyare konyore kwerende konyore vaccine abana bale se miaka 18 abani na bale molito abumba bwendere tibanyore echanji ya COVID-19 gobono etogo direct ose etogo target abantu bale number 1 over 18 years old na inde etokenga obwati molito asabandi egento kende nkelinga togendrete oli gichi vaccine echi ekitobwatera igane chintangani eserikali njano nyora chi vaccine emilioni emo na 20,000 lakini yasomo chinyume iga ntogane tikonyora chi vaccine chi milioni 3 egere bono tunyare guikira abange kobwa bali togo chakana barakurera abasigari abali